Welcome to the International Office Moving Institute. We're located at Georgia Highlands College in Cartersville, Georgia. My name is Ed Katz, and I'm your instructor. Back in 1976, I founded a moving company called Peachtree Movers in Atlanta, Georgia. From 1976 until I sold the company in 2000, we did more than 50,000 moves. Most of those moves were local office moves. In 1996, Peachtree Movers won the Best Office Mover Award by the National Moving and Storage Association. The best practice methods that we developed at Peachtree Movers have been featured in several newspapers, magazines, and the Wall Street Journal. Since I sold Peachtree Movers in 2000, I have spent my full time teaching others my best practice methods for doing local office moves.